welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to show you guys how I go to bed with my hair when it's straight. A lot of you guys have been asking me since my last video of my curly to straight routine, how I actually go to bed with my hair. So basically the first way is wrapping my hair all the way around my head like that. And then the second way is what I tend to do on the days that I'm not wrapping my hair. And typically on the second to third to fourth week, I like to wrap my hair and twist it so that it creates this wavy look when I wake up. So quickly I'll show you the wrapping method. Make a deep set parting like this. And so right now my hair is 2 weeks in of being straightened. So it's still doing quite well at the moment. So I would basically just make a deep parting like this, and I would brush my hair all the way around and make it as flat as possible. And I would start to wrap it over the top. And then at this point I would bobby pin the end and put my silk scarf on, and I would sleep like that and wake it up in the morning. So I would use this method to re-straighten up my hair and make it as straight as it can possibly go again. But I don't tend to use that method very often because it puts a lot of stress on the baby hairs that you have at the front. So typically I only do it about 3 times in the first week of having my hair straightened, just so we can maximize how long I actually have my hair straight for. Because I wear my hair usually in a middle parting, I will part my hair in the middle just like this, and then I'll brush it through. Once it's all brushed through like that, I'll get my Sheer Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Strengthen and Restore Blow Dry Cream. Oh my god, that's like a mouthful. Okay, let's try that again. Sheer Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Blow Dry Cream. So I'll get some of this and I will, it's about that much, and I will just pop it over the top of my hair so I have something that can help my hair press nice and flat. And then I'll take some more and work it through the rest of my hair. I will then get myself a round brush like this and just get my hair as sleek as possible. And then what I do at the end is I just twist it with my finger like this, and then I wrap it into a bun and tie it. So I'm going to turn around and show you exactly what it looks like from the back so you know what to do. I'm left with something that looks like this. Then I'll then get a toothbrush or a small brush, whatever you have. I have a toothbrush, so that's what I use. And I will just go in to my edges. And make them as flat as possible as well. I then get my silk scarf, which looks something like this, and it's just a square shape. It's just a square shape, and I fold it in half into a triangle shape, a little bit like that. And I use a silk scarf because it's the best for your hair. It doesn't snag on your hair when you're sleeping, whereas cotton does. So I like to use a silk scarf when I sleep. So I will wrap this around my head, making sure I've covered as much of my baby hairs as possible. I'll tie it pretty tight, but not too tight that I get a headache from it. And then I get my other silk scarf, which is more of like a cap scarf, and I put it over the top of this scarf so that I'm more than certain that nothing's going to shift during the night. Because sometimes if I just wear one, either or, I find that it does slip off my hair, especially around the edges, and then they're not as flat as I would like them in the morning. Ready for myself to go to bed, so I'll turn around again and I'll show you what it looks like all the way around. Three main things are: I make sure my hair is flat as possible, I make sure I add some sort of serum or cream through my hair so that it can help press down my hair, and I make sure that I wear a silk scarf to bed. So what I'll do now is I'll come back in the morning and I'll show you what me doing this to my hair creates. So it has like this loose waves effect that I really like, and I can do it literally every single day. If I do want to revert back to my hair being more on the straighter side, then I will do the wrapping method that I showed you in the beginning. So if you fancy your hair having some sort of curl to it, I suggest doing it this way. If you want it to be completely straight all the time, then I suggest wrapping it. Or what you could also do, so that you don't put too much stress on the edges of your hair, is part your hair however it is that you have it, and just brush to one side and pin it up, brush the other way and pin that up too, instead of making it go in a full circle all the time, because you don't want to put too much stress on the edges of your hair. So now I'm gonna get myself ready for bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning and we'll have a look together and see what my hair looks like. Good night.